Hi friends, if clause in a way conditional clauses. Why conditional? The action in the main clause will be done if the condition in the if clause is met with. That is why it is called conditional clause. If clause type number 1, possible condition. Tense, present simple and future simple. If you work hard, you will surely succeed. Or if you work hard, you can get a first class. Surely it is possible. The speaker expects the action in the main clause to take place. Type 2. Imaginary clause or improbable clause. Past simple and past conditional. Tense form, if clause past simple and main clause past conditional. If I had money, I could give you. If I had a car, I could give you a ride. Which means it is only a possibility. Possible but not probable. The speaker does not expect the action in the main clause to take place. It is only a possibility which is not probable. For example, if I were the Prime Minister of India, I could do many things. It is possible but not probable. Or if I went to the moon, I will bring you some lunar stones. Possible but not probable. That is type 2, imaginary or improbable condition. Type 3, impossible condition. Had plus V3, would have or should have plus V3. The doctor came late, the patient died. There is no possibility at all. If the doctor had not come late, the patient would not have died. What does it mean? An impossible condition. It's only a condition, that's all. Not at all possible. Had plus V3, would have plus V3. So, if clause 3 types. Type 1, possible condition. Type 2, improbable condition. And type 3, impossible condition. Thank you.